Looking for the best Karcher pressure washers? In this video we look at some of the top 3 Karcher pressure washers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Karcher K5 Premium Power Washer. Pros: delivers up to 2,000 pounds per square inch of water pressure and 1.4 gallons per minute of water. Reaches a water height of 25 feet. Includes a detergent tank. Great looking design that you're going to love using for all kinds of jobs. Large handle makes it a snap to move. Cons: assembly can be a little difficult. May not last as long as you'd expect at this price point. Bottom line: a pricey model, but the K5 has a bit more water pressure than you'll find in some other electric models. At number 2. Karcher K2 Ergo Power Washer. Pros: gives you 1,600 pounds per square inch of water pressure and 1.25 gallons per minute of water, which compares favorably to other electric pressure washers in this price range. Able to deliver water up to 20 feet above the ground. Very small, so it's easy to store. Cons: design has a lot of plastic, so longevity is questionable. No onboard detergent tank. Bottom line: good price for a smaller power washer that handles most jobs you have to do around the house. At number 1. Karcher K1800 Electric Powered Pressure Washer. Pros: very easy setup, so it's ready to use immediately. Delivers 1,800 pounds per square inch at 1.2 gallons per minute. Easy to turn on and off with a large foot switch. Its industry standard connections make it simple to attach different hoses. Cons: the plastic wheels and connection points may wear out more quickly. Bottom line: a must-have for homeowners who need reliable, strong pressure washing for household tasks like cleaning decks and driveways. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.